G'day guys, we're back here with Greg from Cutek, and we wanted to talk to you today about penetrations through the face of your timber. So as you can see here from this project, it's all been custom run cladding. It's got 2 face fixings in the timber, which is going to make the timber last the test of time. It's not going to cup, it's going to stay as it's meant to stay. What I want to talk to Greg about is how Cutek actually helps solve some problems with sealing around the penetrations.
Duayne, penetrations into timber generally is a point where water can basically get in. And we've all seen it. Deterioration around nail holes, screw holes and that sort of thing, rusting fixtures. This one's been done brilliantly, but it's the use of Cutek which will help that. Cutek is an oil that remains mobile inside the wood with a self-healing effect. What I mean by that is that it will actually migrate towards those perforations and protect it.
So it'll suck around the nail or the screw and seal the timber from the inside.
It will.
And that'll help stop all the little horrible black markings and cracks and deterioration that you get around your penetrations. And that's why it's really important that you use quality products like Cutek.